Today I'm going to show you how to switch off Wi-Fi for WhatsApp. So let's get started. First you have to open your mobile settings, and here in the mobile settings you have to scroll down and go to the option apps and management. Now click on the apps section. Then at this interface you have to scroll down and go to the WhatsApp app. Then here on this interface you have to click on the notifications section. After that, here at this interface you have to click on the don't allow option, or you have to switch off your notifications for WhatsApp. Once you switch off your notification, now you will not be able to see any notifications of calls and messages from WhatsApp. You will only see the notifications when you log into your account. Without logging it or without opening your app, you will not be able to receive any messages. So that's how you can switch off Wi-Fi for WhatsApp.